On the last episode of Onboard Lifestyle, we settled into life in Bahia Tenacatita. I had so much fun playing my violin at the Mayor's Wrapped Up Talent Show. The crew took the dinghy across the bay to reprovision in La Manzanilla.
Today was a good day.
We celebrate Chinese New Year on board Basic with a few friends, and of course the menu was delicious. And the crew gets an invite to dance into the night on Kaori. That gets you caught up, so let's start things there.
Hey, I found my heart again. You were standing there, you bravely let me in. I could wait a million years or more until you came knocking at my door. It's hard to be this real. We can play our favorite song, dancing to it all night.
Most people, when they leave or come into Tenacatita, head around the rock. Some people actually cut through between the point and the rock, like this guy right here. There's known obstructions all the way through here. And I've seen them by dinghy, other people have seen them, they're documented, but if you have the experience and you feel confident enough, a lot of people will cut right through. Not me. Why risk it? The rock's right there. We're just going around.
I found a star in you. Always guiding me to where my words are true. I've waited a million years before, and I'll do it all again just to make sure. Yeah, it's hard to be this real.
Well, we're about halfway from Tenacatita to Barra de Navidad. We're going to be anchoring in the lagoon. Now, the lagoon's notorious for being a somewhat questionable entrance. It's not well documented. There's no buoys that mark the channel, and you just kind of go off hearsay, guidebooks. There's a little bit on some of the avionics charts, but not much detail. So we're going to time it for high tide and just ease our way in. Got a nice little breeze right now. A couple miles to go. We should be hitting the entrance here in about an hour. It's tucked right in here. Getting close to the lagoon. All this jungle debris is washing out. The entrance to the Barra Lagoon is easy to navigate with red and green channel markers that guide you through the breakwater to the marina in a dredged and well-maintained channel. As you pass the Grand Bay Resort to your starboard, you immediately feel like you have arrived at a tropical oasis. Next, you see is the Marina Puerto de la Navidad, which has 200 slips that can accommodate vessels upwards of 200 feet and share the resort's luxurious amenities. As you continue past the marina to the lagoon anchorage, you must be cautious and proceed slowly. There is a narrow, unmarked channel that leads to the anchorage that if you wander to either side will shallow quickly and ground your vessel in its sandy, muddy bottom. Once in the anchorage, there are no marked boundaries, and you must drop your anchor in 7 to 12 feet of depth in a natural pocket located in the center of the lagoon. At low tide, it is very obvious where not to anchor, as the majority of the lagoon is less than 5 feet deep. Yeah, I like this.
I think we're gonna have fun here, don't you think?
Well, why not? I mean, look at this. All new view for a couple days.
Teal just left. And he is headed over to see if he can assist. One of our friends is heading in. And this lagoon system is great, but it is extremely shallow, especially at low tide. So you really have to pay attention. If you are not paying attention for a second, you can run aground very easily. Actually, already 2 boats this morning has already run aground, so you just got to keep your eyes peeled.
Yeah, he's churning back there.
It's turning.
Luckily also, if they did run aground, this is very nice soft mud and sand, so not most likely you won't have any damage at all. So either you wait for high tide, or somebody can pull you off with their dinghy or a panga if needed. But I'm pretty sure this just happened, so if anything, they are able to be backed off very easily. How bad was it? Probably won't. It wasn't bad, right?
Well, it's not bad. It's, you know, outside of that little channel, it's 5 feet deep.
I know.
And there's no markers. So they just wandered off onto the edge.
I know, there's waypoints, but you gotta like pay attention, and you can't even look away for like a second.
And yeah, they just kind of wandered to the edge. It was easy. We had 5 dinghies there. We just pushed him right to the center of the channel, and he was free.
Isn't our community awesome?
It is not too bad. It's always
fun entering the marina.
It's always fun to you know, do that kind
Little
of stuff.
excitement.
I like it.
You got a little mud on your forearm.
Oh, I do. It's from his anchor chain.
I've been so distracted this morning because I am tracking somebody in the lagoon. This place is known for the French baker, and he delivers by panga. He's already hit up the marina, which means they get first dibs, and then it's us in the lagoon. But oh my gosh, I am so excited.
There's only going to be crumbs left. You watch.
He is a real, true French baker. You talking croissants, baguettes, pastries, you name it, he has it. And so I am so excited. Even though it's hot out, I still want that. And he's off tomorrow, so I might get an extra baguette for tomorrow or today. Something about fresh bread and butter. Oh, and good wine. Oh, this is gonna be so good. He's here. My French baker's here.
How are you today?
Good, good.
Good?
Beautiful. What would you like?
Oh,
Here we are. Thanks for the hold.
okay. Let's see. This is all beautiful. Now which one is that? That's
That was this one right here, wasn't it? The one we just
That was that, yes. That is pastry, cream and chocolate, cinnamon rolls, raisin roll, chocolate croissant, plain croissant, almond croissant, almond chocolate croissant. That's small balls you just try. Some pizzas here with spinach, with mushroom, cheesy bread, bacon and cheese bread, ham and cheese croissant. The same guys, but with the bread, so sandwich. That's with chorizo. I have some quiche here, bacon and cheese or spinach, some tart, coffee, wine, limoncello, pate or cheese inside these guys.
oh my goodness, you're a full stop, just a one-stop shop.
Exactly. The finish the
Okay.
supermarket.
I like the savories.
Yeah, let's do a couple of each.
Oh, perfect. So thank you. Stop to be hard. It's a change.
I know that's hard to get, huh?
Oh, you're gonna see what it is.
Okay, here's the menu.
Okay,
That's
perfect.
manual, that's your goodies.
Thank you so much. And what is your name?
Jean-Charles.
Jean-Charles.
Very good pronunciation.
Thank you so much,
Thanks a
Jean-Charles.
lot. For JC, it's not easy, okay? O Juanito in Español.
Okay, we'll see you in a couple days then.
Okay, so no problem.
Thank you so much.
Thanks to you. Have a lovely day.
You too.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, that's my new boyfriend.
Hey now.
He has an accent and he bakes. And his main ingredient is butter.
Well, how is it?
I mean, look at this. Look at these layers. These croissants delivered by Dingy. 25 pesos. That is $1.25 of fresh baked goods. I mean, you can't beat this, you guys. It's so good. Ooh, that looks good too. Here. Look at this. Chock full of cheese and ham. Oh my god.
Have a good day.
So your tears been running like a waterfall. Thought the stars would never let you down. And you keep on thinking you could save yourself. But that's love, that's just love. You should know some things will hurt, and you'll end up getting burned. I just hope that you will learn. That's just love, that's just love. You will get back up again, even if you don't know when. And it feels like the world is coming down on you. You have to move on, deal with your broken heart. No matter what you think, you'll never ever get enough of love.
Muchas gracias. We are now all checked in, and this is the first time that Emma and I have gone to check in with the port captain, just because it is a little bit more of a men-centric country, and so we weren't sure that they would be okay with me coming in as a co-captain to check us in, but it was really sweet. The entire port captain's office here in Barra, it's all female. They didn't have any problems with us.
Yep, it was great.
So now it's time to go to the open market and check out what they have.
This will be a fun day. We're gonna head out of the Barra Lagoon by dinghy, and we're gonna go check out a 38,000 ton freighter that was shipwrecked in October 23rd of 2015. What happened was it was sitting in Manzanillo, and it was ordered to leave Manzanillo because of this, Hurricane Patricia was coming in, and the captain waited 10 hours and went the wrong way. Instead of going south, he went north, and they hit 30-foot seas and horrendous Category 5 conditions, and ran this freighter right up on shore. So it's been there for, 7 years now. It's starting to decay and rust away, but we're gonna go check it out
And we're
today.
gonna go look at it.
Yeah, it'll be fun.
It's big enough that you can actually dinghy through it, right?
Well, not through it. I think you could enter it in a couple spots.
Uh-huh.
I don't know. That's what people have said. I have no clue what we're gonna see, so this will be fun.
But first, one stop before we head out.
Yes, we're hungry.
We're gonna go get some fresh croissants.
From your boyfriend.
From my boyfriend.
And we're gonna go with a couple other cruisers. We've got a little flotilla of dinghies heading out. So this will be a lot of fun today.
Bad garbage. Wait.
170.
170.
That's okay, no change.
I got it. Yep.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
I know. I want you to look at that. How pretty it is.
Oh, Emma, let me see.
I'd show you mine, but it's almost gone.
That's beautiful.
Isn't it?
Take a bite.
I don't know what it means, but there's a smile upon your face, and I see something shimmering in your eyes. And they say if you want to glimpse the future, you need space. And you said you'll put down your morning.
Wow. The sea, she's an angry beast. Look at that. I'm still just in awe of the size of this ship and how it's been just ripped apart in just 7 years.
This is crazy.
Not even 7 years yet. The ship is half gone and just torn apart. Absolutely just pulled apart.
I think it's pretty cool to be so up close and personal with this.
I know, it just gives you that eerie feeling though, doesn't it?
Thanks for watching the last episode of Onboard Lifestyle. We enjoyed making these videos over the past few years, but it's time to move on to new adventures. Just kidding! It's April 1st, people! Anyways, thanks to all, especially our patrons who make these videos possible. Join our crew if you can. Come back next week as we decide what's after Barra de Navidad for the crew. See you then!